Hi guys! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel, Deejaebaristalife. So we are here at Team Barista Cafe, our newly opened coffee shop here in Corner Camaro Street, Fairview, Quezon City. You may visit us anytime. So for today's video, we will give you an honest review about La Carimali Nimble E2. So let's start. Okay guys, so this is the Nimble E2, the new model of La Carimali Espresso machine. This is ideal for mid-sized coffee shops, restaurants, and kiosks. It is also a 2 groups espresso machine, but it has also a 1 group. Available color, black and white. It is user-friendly display with LCD display. With LED lights for good illumination in working area, programming of pre-infusion for each drink selection. Alright guys, so excited ako i-try itong Nimble E2. As you can see, very classy yung kanyang itsura, no? So, very minimalistic din. Bagay na bagay talaga sa mga small spaces. Ang ganda-ganda ng itsura niya. So, as you can see, for the parts and functions, meron tayo ditong knob type yung Nimble E2. Yan. So, ito yung knob niya for the steam one. And also for the hot water knob. And then the spout. Ayan. And ito yung ating control panel. So, meron tayo ditong manual buttons. Ayan. And then, for other buttons dito, meron tayong single short shot. Meron tayong double short shot, single long shot, and double long shot. So, yung ating portafilter, we have single portafilter spout. Ayan. For single shot. And we have also double portafilter spout para naman sa mga double shot. At ang maganda pa dito guys, yung ating meron tayo ditong cup rest, extended cup rest siya. Ito, for example, mabababa lang yung cups niyo, pwede niyo siyang gamitin. Now, pag medyo mataas yung inyong mga cups, so pwede niyo siyang i-fold para kumasya pa rin siya. Ito yung maganda sa kanya. Yan. Okay, so napakadali lang gamitin guys ng Nimble E2 Espresso machine from La Carimali. give you an honest review or overall review about La Carimali Espresso Machine. So this espresso machine is very minimalistic. As you can see, it is simple also and sophisticated. Very elegant yung kanyang itsura, no? And it fits also sa mga smallang spaces ng mga cafes and restaurants. So let's start with the pros of this espresso machine. So sa nakita namin, ang preheating condition niya is 10 to 15 minutes na lang. So ibig sabihin, after 10 to 15 minutes, ready to use na yung ating La Carimali espresso machine. And other than that, user-friendly din siya. As in, sobrang dali nyo lang siyang gamitin yung kanyang mga functions. Madali kayo makakapag-extract, makakapag-steam ng milk. And other than that, itong La Carimali natin is, it has white and black in color. And when it comes to cons naman, yung other than ating LED lights na dapat meron sila dito sa Philippines is wala na siyang LED lights. But I think hindi naman siya makakaapekto sa functions ng La Carimali espresso machine. So overall guys, bibigyan pa rin natin siya ng rating na 4.9. So very good pa rin siya. So madali rin siyang gamitin. So this is the La Carimali Espresso Machine Nimble E2. Alright guys, thank you for watching our reviews about La Carimali Nimble E2. I hope it helps you choose espresso machine for your cafe. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Deejae Barista Life, and don't forget to click the notification bells for more reviews. Thank you!